Hello, welcome. In this episode, these are the items you are going to need. You need your crystals, your pearls, and the pearls you need a bigger size and a medium size. Then your gold beads, your scissors. First line, you need the points 4 for the weaving and 0.35 for sewing, and your slippers. With the slippers, I've already shown you how to do it in my previous video, so you can get the link and check how to do it. Thank you. First of all, I'm going to teach you how to do the flower. This one. Let's get started. So first of all, you would pick one pearl, one gold bead. You repeat it for 6 times, meaning you pick 6 pearls, 6 gold beads. So this is what you have, 6 each. Then you tie it at the end of the first line. One, two. So this is what you have. And you cut the excess thread, but first of all you need to pass it through one bead, so that when you cut the excess, the fish line will not be coming off. This is what we have after the 1-1. So at this point, we are picking 2 gold beads, then 1 pearls, pick 2 gold beads again, so this is it. 2, 1, 2, and you slip it in this gold bead. We are repeating the same process till we get to the last gold bead. So I'll pick another 2 gold beads. This is what it will look like. So when you get to this point, the fish line will pass through these two gold beads. So this is how it will look. Then we pick one gold bead, one crystal, and one gold bead. Is how. Then we will pass the first line through the gold beads. That's the immediate one. I hope you are following what I'm doing, because if you miss a step, you spoil the whole thing. Then you pass your fish line in the petals. Pass it in the petals through the two gold beads. It will not go into this gold bead. It won't go into it. It is rather going down. So after you pass it through the pearl, it goes down into these two gold beads. So this is it. If you miss this step, you spoil the whole thing. Then you pick one gold bead, one crystal, one gold bead. Repeat it. It goes into this two. Then it passes through the pearls, through the two gold beads. So it's 1 1 1 1 till the end. When you get it, it's very simple to make. So we are just repeating the same process. And the last part. So this is what you will get. So the first line will pass through the gold bead, as in it's going round this way. Remember, it is coming out from this bead, so you go through this gold bead, you bring it down through the 3 gold beads. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You bring it down. So you see it's coming out. Then you pick 3 crystals. 1, 2, 3. And we would pass it through this gold bead. Then it goes into the petals. This is it. Goes into the petals. Then it will go into the gold bead again. Then you pick another 3 crystals. Goes into the gold and then the pearl. So it's just a repetition at this point. See, it's forming gradually. Very nice, easy to make. So this is what we have at the end. Isn't it beautiful? At this end, remember initially the fish line was just going through the pearls and then the gold bead, but at this end we are going up. So it is passing through these 3 gold beads. These 2, sorry, you see it's coming out. We are doing it so to actually make a knot, but this knot is not like the normal tying. So we are just going all around just once, so that it will be fair. I'm going through the all around. So it goes through the tail, to the gold beads, to the pearls, to the gold beads, to the pearls, to the gold beads, so that it will become firm, so not be loose. Then we pick a big crystal. Remember I told you you need the crystal, the smaller one and the bigger one. So this is where the bigger one comes in. You just have to count. Easy is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So into 3, 4, 5, depending on whichever way you are starting from. At the end of the day, it should be 3 equal parts. So this one, I go directly to another gold bead. Goes in. pass it through the whole to the whole bead. So this is our final work. Okay, we are done. Thank you for watching.